Hey guys, me Taylor, and today we are going. I'm out of the lens. Come here. We have a special guest today, and it's.
What don't you?
It's Judy. It's Judy.
No, my name is Taylor. Wonkity.
Okay. So that's that. All right.
Blah, 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 blah.
So today we went online. We went on Etsy,
Or did you?
and their name is
Waka,
Blue.
waka, waka.
This is actually a skit, so not real. Just a heads up.
Yeah.
So we went on Etsy, and their name was Blue Sparkle Diamond.
What was it?
Judy, you're not even in the lens. Come
Where
here.
am I?
Come here. You have to get in the
Ow.
lens.
Hello.
Help. You're not helping at all.
Where am
So-
I?
They put it in this really. They put it in a food container,
Oh wow.
which is already really scary.
No one heard that.
What?
The side effects, like yeah.
Okay. Y'all get the first look.
Yeah.
Judy, why don't you come in the
New
lens?
side effect.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, fine.
So they gave us a note, which is amazing, and it says.
I'm trying.
It's sad that I'm used to this.
Whoa.
It says, we keep the fun and no refund. You paid $5,000. Thank you, Blue Sparkle Diamond. Or it's just scribbled, but like.
Yeah.
We paid $5,000 for 5 squishies. We're smart.
Or did you?
So this is our extra, and
Hand sanitizer.
we got hand sanitizer. I'm not going to show what it is because
Hand sanitizer.
for copyright purposes. Oh, I got another one.
Yeah.
I got 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
And
got-
I got 2 hand sanitizers.
You got firm.
So what I ordered was
A burger.
I ordered
Soccer ball.
No, it was a kawaii.
Kawaii donut.
It was a kawaii.
Donut.
No, it was a kawaii squid.
Burger.
Will you let me talk? I will never let you get on another video. I don't care. Okay, so as you see, I have that thing. Christmas tree. Okay, so I first ordered a kawaii squishy donut, a kawaii squishy hamburger, a kawaii squishy dog, and a kawaii squishy soccer ball. What are you doing? So, I'm gonna dig, and it's kawaii squishy cupcake. So we're gonna dig in. And they're supposed to be all packaged. Oh, this is cute. I mean, it's not what I ordered, but like they gave me another. Don't stop. They gave me a dog. I didn't order. What's so funny is I actually ordered a kawaii squishy dog, and they gave me this nice little extra. And I know this isn't it because it's supposed to be packaged. Okay, next one. Oh, thank you. You know, it's an extra. So, like,
Yeah.
it makes like the crusty noises. Okay. I know that's not I know that's just an extra because I mean I didn't even order this, and I think it's supposed to be a veggie burger.
And the peppy too.
And yes, and the puppy.
Veggie peppy.
Get out. Next one is
Fish.
I actually ordered almost all of these squishies that have came out of this box, but they're not packaged. So I will call check. Ooh, this is hard, and it's a soccer ball. So I will not be playing with this. I will be returning that because that's. I mean, it is an extra, so like it's nasty, but like. Okay, so next we have a squishy cupcake. It's not kawaii and it's not packaged, so it's not mine. I mean, I'm not being a brat whenever I say this, but none of these are what I ordered. Okay, so next we have my donut that is not a squishy. It's a loofah where you. Okay, you ready? was fun. Okay, now let me get my actual... Okay, there's nothing left. There's a glare in my glasses, and it's really weird, and I don't like it. Yay. So, this is my kawaii squishy cupcake. Yeet. Outro? It's called an outro, not an intro.
Okay.
This was personally my kawaii dog, and it's cute and it's soft, so I'll keep it. B. This was
Get the killer.
$1,000 donut.
Yeah.
Woo! This was my kawaii soccer ball that I paid $2,000 for.
Woo!
This was the burger that was supposedly kawaii
Nom, nom,
that I
nom.
paid. Want to take a guess? $1,500.
Nom nom.
Too much. Okay. Anyways, I'm mad. Bye, guys.
We is out.